Yeah, we're dealing with Slayer's Raining Blood, and we start with the real-time groove. The intro with the bundle of 16th notes, which is taka-tak, 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 okay, in real time. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the very first one. Okay. You have those kicks and you go into that double time, yeah, very fast main riff of Raining Blood. And I don't know what Tom is doing on the record actually, but what the guitars do is like they play this okay, and at a quite fast tempo. So this is really a challenge. I don't know if Tom Araya is playing this in unison with the guitars, because this is really fast, and maybe live he's sticking to even 8 notes, you know, just keeping the pulse of the riff, like dung 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 dung, and whereas the guitars go 16th note power play full on. Okay, so it would be like. Okay, so that's the main riff, which happens in double time. So very fast stuff, very good training for the accuracy, like the definition, your right hand. As yeah, it is often the case in rock, and especially in this case in thrash metal, okay, speed metal. So this is real time as well. So we have that 1, 2, 3, 4 feel, okay? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then you have that half time, okay? You're hopping from real time into half time. So everything happens half as fast. So you come out of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, snare, deep, and 4. So that's the guitar riff. And the bass is like sticks to the root notes, which is the E on the open E string. And then when the mighty chorus with the double bass drumming sets in, I mean, what you can do, I don't know if Tom is doing it, Tom Araya, bass player, but it's like. And what I do is like I use palm muting as a technique, because you want to get that feel of these 3 note, these bundles of 3 16th notes to sound like taka-tak, taka-tak, with a 16th note rest in between. Okay, you could of course do it with the left hand, like muting the string. But at a high tempo, this is like, I don't know, there's a lot of string action going on, and I think for the left hand to do it like properly, like doing any job, would be almost impossible. So what in rock and metal happens, you use the palm of your like pick holding hand, and you place it like somewhere, just where you feel comfortable, and you mute the string. So after plucking the string, the note will dry out like instantly. Okay, so you have that kind of dead note percussive pluck